This is a sponsored video that contains products provided without charge by the manufacturer for demonstration purposes. All opinions are my own. Today on HandyDadTV, I'm going to unbox a couple of products from a brand new sponsor of mine called Mounting Dream. This is a big screen wall mount, and this is a soundbar bracket. Coming up. Welcome to HandyDadTV. I'm Chris Heider, your virtual dad in the cloud. And today, a brand new sponsor. I love new sponsors. This one is called Mounting Dream, and they sell this product on Amazon. The links are in the video description below. This is an articulating mount. It is meant to pull your TV out from the wall so that you can get to the cables and connections behind it, and then just push it back against the wall when you're done. It's so hard just using a straight mount to get behind the TV. This makes it easy. So I have a new TV being installed. Believe it or not, right now, my family room is a mess. I have a project going on. I'm putting a fireplace in there, and this is going to be needed to mount that TV over the fireplace. So I was really happy that they reached out to me and offered to send me these products and let me do an unboxing video now, and I will show you how to install it when I get to that part of the other project. But stay tuned to that. Subscribe if you haven't yet. This is the Mounting Dream MD2296 full motion TV wall mount, and this is the soundbar bracket. This is model number MD5420. Again, both of these links will be in the video description below. Let's get to the mount first. So the first thing we get is installation instructions, and they're not just picture. They actually have words in them too. I like to see this when a company supplies you with HDMI cables. This one has one HDMI cable in it, a lot of hardware, a lot of screws depending upon your various TVs, a level. I like to see that when they supply you a level, because there are some people that just don't have them. Some cable ties. Ooh, a little bullet level that you can put right on the unit. And let's take a look at this. So all these parts are nice and metal. So nothing plastic. I like seeing that. They really appear to be heavy duty. And this is the mount itself. This thing is really heavy, I must say. It's got to weigh at least 5 pounds. At least. Oi! Oi! Be a lot of, it's meant to be attached to the wall, so I'm not surprised that it's hard to do. But you can see it's got an adjustment here so that you could tilt the TV forward. Of course, I don't know how to do it. I think it's got a set screw on the other side too, so I'd probably have to loosen that set screw too. But you can see it articulates in either direction. It's got dual arms coming out of it, so it is made for big TVs. This is the way that it would attach to the wall, and the TV will be attached here. I do also like the fact that it comes with a full-size mounting template that, of course, this is great. It actually has self-stick, peel and stick. You just put it on the wall where you want it. Stick the level here. So this little thing has peel and stick. You put the level there, and it helps you get the template perfectly level where you want it. And then you just poach a hole through the wall, or through the template right into the wall, and that tells you where to put your mounting, the bolts. All right. Now, let's talk about this. This is a new product. I've never tried this. When I did a TV mount that had a sound bar, I must say it was a pain in the neck to get the sound bar attached to the wall underneath the TV. I spent an awful lot of time on it, and it came out well. But when I saw this product, I said, well, this is idiot-proof. But the way this works, and these again, everything's metal. The way this works is you attach your television, you attach this to the mount behind the television, and you just let these things stick out. I guess these are two different kinds. If you need a long one or you need the short one, you can replace this, okay, depending upon how big your television is, of course. So this is where you would mount your sound bar, and you can adjust it so that it's just underneath the TV. It'll look as if it's attached to the bottom of the TV, because in reality it is. I'm looking forward to using this because I do have a sound bar coming with my new television. I'm going to be putting a 4K television in my family room, and I need the sound bar. Look, if you're going to spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on a big screen TV, you want to make sure it's got a sturdy mount. And this product really does look good. I can't wait to put my TV up. I can't wait for my family room to be done. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Hey there, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be the first to know when new videos are posted. Look for HandyDadTV on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and visit the website HandyDadTV for more great ideas and information.